Hello everyone. For this playlist, we are going to solve each formula for the specified variable. For example number 1, we're going to solve for W1. Example 2, we're going to solve for V1, and so on. So let's start. For exercise number 1, we have to solve for W1, meaning this W1 from this fraction here. The first observation is that we have a fraction equals a fraction, okay? That means that we don't have more terms in each side. Like we don't have any plus or minus here, and we don't have any other term here as well. So this is gonna be very straightforward solution, okay? So let's rewrite that problem. So solving for W1, that means that we have to leave this W1 by itself. Therefore, we have to get rid of this W2 that is dividing W1. Remember, in order to get rid of something, we have to do the opposite. For this case, this W2 is dividing W1. So to get rid of this W2, since we have fraction equals a fraction, we could do the opposite, which is multiplication. So we could multiply W2 to both sides, okay? If we multiply the left side, we also have to do it in the right side. So notice here what's gonna happen. This W2 and this W2 will automatically cancel. So we are left with W1 only. Equals, now notice here, we have a fraction multiplying a single term, which is W2. But W2 also have the invisible one in there. So when we multiply fractions, we multiply straight. Numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. So we're going to have D1 multiplied by W2. Since they are variables or letters, they just come together. Divided by the other multiplication, D2 divided by 1, simply D2. And that's gonna be our solution.